Welcome! If you want to share something on Instagram, but keep it just between you and your closest friends, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to share Instagram stories with your close friends only using the latest update. This is perfect for those moments you want to keep private or just share with your inner circle. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features. Once you're on the home screen, look for the plus icon at the top or bottom of your screen. Tap on it to start creating a new story. Now, it's time to add your content. You can either snap a new photo or video right from the camera or choose something from your gallery. Add your favorite filters, stickers, or text to make your story stand out. Take a moment to get creative and personalize your story just the way you like it. Here comes the important part, sharing it with your close friends. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a green circle icon labeled Close Friends. Tap on that. This option ensures that only the people you've added to your close friends list will see this story. It won't be visible to anyone else, not even your regular followers. Once you're ready, hit the share button. That's it. Your story is now live, but only your close friends can view it. They'll even see a green ring around your profile photo, letting them know it's a special story just for them. Remember, you can edit your close friends list at any time by going to your profile, tapping the menu, and selecting Close Friends. Add or remove people as you wish, so you're always sharing with the right group. That's how simple it is to keep your Instagram stories private and personal. Give it a try and enjoy sharing those special moments with just your closest friends. If you found this helpful, don't forget to check out more tips on making the most of your Instagram experience.